안녕하세요. This is Cafe Bonbon and 이거는 민트 라떼. GT 라떼랑 버블. 8만트 들어오면요. 그 바로 앞에 오른쪽에 찾을 수 있어요. Hello, this is Cafe Bonbon and if you see here, we have the stamps for 10 and if you have purchased for every $5, you'll get a stamp and on the 10th one, you'll get $5 off your next purchase.
Awesome. And 이거는
So
그거예요.
it used to be something we used to do. So if you scan it, and you follow us, and you show that you follow us, you will get a free bonbon on us. After you show us, then it will give you a bonbon of choice of either custard, red bean, or chocolate. So over here will be all the coffees we have. So we make our coffees with espresso shots, and the Americanos are with water, the lattes are with milk, and then we also make other type of milk drinks. We also have tea, and we also have a zero sugar beach iced tea that is pretty good. We also have a zero decaf mixed coffee, which is zero sugar and zero caffeine. So for those who don't want like caffeine but still like coffee taste or want to drink something sweet, we still have those options as well. And we also have a lot of smoothie options here as well. And our desserts, we have croffle, egg pong, and ham and cheese egg pong, and we also have bonbons, which we have red bean, custard, and chocolate.
Can I see? Oh.
And then we also have water smoothie as well. And 8 are carbonated fruity refreshing drinks.
Awesome.
My name is Ted, and if you want a bubble of 20, text this number right over here, and we will be able to make that bird. 972-269-6103.
How can we reach you?
So if you just text us, you'll be able to reach us, but we won't be able to accept the call. But if you text us, we will able to make it as soon as we can.
How do we find you?
So how to find us, you'll be able to walk in through H Mart, the old Denton one, and as soon as you walk in, we'll be right in the very front on the right side.
Come check us out.
So come check us out. So this is our croffle, and you can make it into a strawberry cookie croffle, and German croffle, or an orange cookie croffle as well.
Yes. Awesome.